Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the new week. In this week, we plan to first finish this advanced indexing this section, and then we can move to this query processing a new section by the Wednesday. According to the schedule spreadsheet, we have finished the paper 3, the review report already, and in this week, we just released the paper 4 for you. So please also download the paper 4 and also read it and do the review summary when you have time. Besides the paper 4, we also have a deadline by this Friday, which will be for the project stage 3. So please refer to the project description and also write the project stage 3 report, which will be due by the Friday midnight of this week. And also, we will have a homework to be released in this week, and we have provided the link already. Please download the homework, and we will have about 3 weeks for you to finish the homework. And the homework will be due by the Friday of the week by the March 19th. So which will be the Friday midnight as well. So we will have lots of work to do, in the following weeks. And I also check the schedule spreadsheet. I think half of the semester have passed already, and we will have about 7 weeks left for the course. So I think it's time for you to consider your project right now and start to work on the implementation as soon as possible. I think most of the project will take some time because you may encounter some unexpected problems and challenges during the implementation process. So start to implement your project, your models as soon as possible, and also run your model on your datasets. And if you are working on a research project, also consider to write your paper and also design your model and do the experiments as soon as possible. It may take some time. It's relatively hard for you to finish a new paper within about 7 weeks if you have never done that before. Alright, so please schedule your time well, and we have about 7 weeks left, and try to work on your project and your homework as well as review reports for the papers when you have time. So let's continue to talk about this advanced indexing, this section. In this week, we plan to finish this section, and we still have some materials left from the previous weeks. So to be specific, in this week, we will discuss 2 main topics about this advanced indexing. We will introduce 2 other data structures we can use for maintaining or organizing an index table in database systems. The first one is called R-tree. R-tree is a tree structure diagram which can be used to maintaining an index for some special data we have. And another data structure we will use is called bitmap. So bitmap is more like a coding of the attributes we have. So given attributes, we can provide coding, like one-hot coding of the attributes for all the instances. And this bitmap can provide not so convenient ways for us to process many of the queries based on the index tables. So both of them will be covered in this section. The first one is called R-tree, and the second one is called bitmap. And besides the basic information for the data structures, we will also provide some examples to show you how to do the queries based on both R-tree as well as bitmap. For the R-tree, we will also discuss how to do the insertion, deletion, as well as search inside it. And for the bitmap, we will show you with the example how to do queries, do the search, find some instances matching our requirements within some ranges. Okay, so let's move to the slides, and we can go over these 2 topics one by one for you.